Hey everyone, Matt here at Total Package Detailing. Today we're going to look at this brand new Porsche GT3. Nice, beautiful green color. Very, very, very nice car. Now, as you can see out here in direct sunlight, even though this car is brand new, we've actually got buffer trails all over this car. We've also got micro marring in the vehicle as well. And I presume that once I get it all decon washed and taken care of, it's probably got more than what we're seeing here. But just look at that. This is a brand new car, right off the showroom floor here. And there's other issues I'm seeing in it as well in random spots, such as the wing. Look at the wing. Wing. I'm trying to catch this for you guys here. See how it's kind of wavy in there? Look down through there. See all that? That's from where the factory polished it. So this is why we do paint corrective polishing even on a brand new car of this caliber. It is because there are defects in new cars. Manufacturers do go through a great amount of work to try to prevent that, but it does still happen. And not only that, just doing the clay treatment on this vehicle to remove all the embedded contaminants from transporting it, that in and of itself is going to put a little bit of micro marring, scratching into the surface of the vehicle. And so that is another reason why we do corrective paint polishing first. This is so that we can remove that micro marring. Up here in the edges, too, I'm going to try to get this here in focus for you guys. Right up in there, you can see it's kind of dull looking. You see it? And we're going to take care of that and solve that issue. Of course, once the vehicle is fully corrected and ready to go, we are going to go ahead and do our Crystal Serum Ultra. Also, our XO version 5 coating as well will be done. And might even be doing the wheels on this one too. Stay tuned.